Okay, here we go. Penguin flyers. It's so fun. But we go to the flamingos. Flamingos. These sad flamingos. In an another, they can't live the life they want. Such a sad story. Even more sad that you can't see them. Flamingo. 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 The thing which controls everything about the penguin. Dun, 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 dun. Dynamic effect hits it up. Even more about both. As a this is so funny. Where are you? Are you in his house? What's in here? Meerkats. Hey, meerkat movie. Give me a movie stuff in there. If you look very closely, a fat penguin. Just found out this is real penguins home because they're really gay. Look at them fat penguins. Oh, look at him. He's saying his hands up. Jack, hey, bro. How you doing, guys, today? Need to go wee come down here with go-karts and all this stuff. Oh my god! Let's go! Wait, what's that? Dun 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 dun. This random people. But what came here was dead. Here we go, the big fat thingamajiggies. Can't remember their names. God, Potter. Here's the giraffes. And over there are zebras. I see you! We're getting a close look. Hello! I'm a big fat butt, okay, not nice. You mother trucks can't do that. Girl walked in with it and you then calm down. I'm a vegetarian. Meat. Alright, getting close. Okay, now it stinks up here because I don't know why. Here we go. It's quiet. Look at meat. Oh my, disgusting. Look. Make sure that US, we need to save a species. Give money. As a thing, and there's nothing in there. Sad. Oh my god, it's our drain tap. Just don't know. Here it is. Doesn't work. Even that one doesn't work. Sad. Look at this long queue just to see. So sad. So here are the giraffe rules. Use my middle fingers, they might bite. That's nice. Wash your hands, no Farmer Tom. No Farmer Jake. No Farmer Chris. Farmer Chris. Subscribe to Stasek for his Polish videos, even though he hasn't uploaded. Such a sad story. Hope you like this vlog, a mini vlog. It's been 4 minutes. So sad now. These animals in the zoo. See you guys. Wild events are looking for the wild bunches. Beware, they might bite. Okay. Sorry about all the pauses, guys. And look. Traveler's Choice, TripAdvisor. These guys. These random kids. Bubbles. My bubbles. Give me back my bubbles. What? I want it. Ow. Want it, my own. I'm so sad. Sorry, finger's gone away. What'll I do with you? The fourth floor.
What's that?
This is Forest. That's my brother, here.
What's that?
Come on, Roblox, name Local Chickbacks FTD now has Mac friends since nobody even wanted to. Whoever's there for fun, I will. I wonder who you are. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Whoa. Look at these cheeky monkeys trying to grab my phone. Haha, you can't grab it, boy. You can't grab it. You're on YouTube, boy. On YouTube. Come see me now. I see a bright light. Don't know what this is, but it's going to be fun. Remember, guys, this is a vlog on Folly Farm.
Hey, big gorilla.
I'm King Kong. Run, boy. Run. Never look back. Run. Oh, my God. It's a wild car. It's a wild, wild car. It's a wild car. Yeah, you're done with the vlog, guys. Only 5 more minutes. How boring ass. Just kidding, I'll make it fun.
With this squeaky voice.
Go to Lions Research 101. Okay, guys. Safari. Such good safari. Poor puddle. I think that's lovely memory.
This is Ranger 1 of our fresh Range Rover tracks on the east side.
That's nice. Long wait, long grass. That's whole of Africa, I think. All of Africa. Woohoo! That's nice. And Lion's Pen. Not in at the moment because they're still out playing. Playing probably football. JK. Yeah, they said throw me into the Lions. No way that's gonna happen. Even though I'm the most cringiest YouTuber in the world. I just deleted Musical.ly, so I'm not gonna do Musical.ly anymore. Because Musical.ly is so cringe that I could kill myself. I wouldn't really kill myself. Suicide not joke, kids. Well, if you're a kid. If you're not, then good luck.
Oh.
There's a huge lion. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, back. Attention all units. Attention all units. There's this random tiger trying to kill me. JK, not really. But still, our voice is covered. Because we're not good. Your cousin. So funny. These poor rocks deserve a nest. Now, 3 minutes to end this vlog. I'm not doing a 15 minutes vlog because I'm low on. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Bye. Look, it's me when I'm 75. Wow. Here we go. Go and see something in there. Alright, see you guys. See you in a bit. Such a sad story for this guy. Even more sadder. He's Jaws the 5th. Now he's the Roxy. Now he's her. Sleeping Beauty 3.0. Wow. Look how fat he is. It smells because you see double chin. Okay. Subscribe to Camel Vlogs where you can see camels. 2 more minutes till this cringy vlog. Look, my finger's going everywhere because he really hates camels. I hate camels. Shut up, come here. Oh, look, my ball went in there. So sad. I might get it back soon.
I do.
Yeah, okay, we're about to go inside. Might end this vlog soon as we get inside. But look at these fat camels. And they smell like fat. Nah, not really. They smell nice.
Cats.
Nah. Meerkats, guys. Meerkats. Meerkats. Oh. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Meerkats. Dun-dun-dun. There's meerkats.
Where?
Somewhere. Can't find any meerkats. I'm so sad. Meerkats, I can't find you. Subscribe to other meerkat vlogs. JK, when I say camel vlogs and meerkat vlogs, it's not really real. But they might be painted. It's inspired by Jacob. Saw the meerkat, so happy. See you, meerkat. I just want to scare. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun. Dun. Guys, I saw a meerkat. It's weird, but the meerkats are over there. Look at these. Tapir territory. Looks like that's the tapir, or is it just swans? Okay. Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel. Stazek, as known as Alan. Well, okay. Okay. Hunter Paul's miserable jobs around you. Anyway guys, like and subscribe. Remember Fairtooth for life. Yeah. A blown tank. I'm not supposed to end this at 10, but I'm going to keep going until I get into the shot, which is not far. Okay, guys, Ferris wheel for the win. Subscribe to Sec, as known as Alan. And yeah, I think that's it. Sorry about if I said challenges everyone. I didn't really mean it. I only done. Okay. Oh no! Sorry guys, the police are after me. Like and subscribe for more videos. So if we get up to 1 like, I might do another video. So I'm just gonna sing till we get there. JK. I will see you guys. Bye.